3 personnel. Hindi po kami nagdadayo, we are not fooling around here. Hindi kami naglolo dito. Kung akala nyo naglolo kami, nagkakamali kayo. Kung akala nyo, ginagawa rin namin to for show, nagkakamali kayo. No, and the appropriate investigations will be conducted and the proper administrative charges will be filed after the investigations. But now we are terminating them already today. I've already instructed General Bisnar to issue that order today. So again, please, sa lahat ng ating mga kasama sa DOTR family. Because we are a family. We are a family of people who are here to serve our citizens. Ako po, hinihingi ko na ang pandinig ninyo kung hindi nyo pa kami naririnig loud and clear. We will not stand for any abuse. Any abuse will be met with the same result and the same swift action from us, as mandated and as ordered to us by the President himself. We will not allow this to happen. Okay? Apart from that, I've also asked Undersecretary si Jonko, our head of ODS, General Bisnar, and our GM, Eric Ines, to review the procedures and protocols there. Again, no, sa screening ng security sa airport. Ako po, I have been a passenger at this airport. Awa ng Diyos, it has never happened to me, no, and my family. Pero kahit ako yan, yung nangyari kay Ma'am Ruth, talagang matotrauma ako dyan. Can you imagine? Apparently, and of course, this is all subject to final investigation, nakadaan na pala sila. Meaning they were already cleared. And apparently, they were rushing to meet to their gate para hindi sila mag-late sa flight. Alam natin nga, as passengers, how stressful that is. Hindi ba? Nakaka-stress yun eh. Lalo na si Mami Ruth, medyo may edad na. Hindi naman yung makakatakbo. Hindi ba? Nakadaan na sila, binalikan pa sila. Tinatanong ko nga si General Bisnar, di ba mali yun? Hindi tama yun. Once you are screened and cleared by the screener, you're done. Kaya nga siniscreen eh. Hindi ka pwede yung, ay, inabot ka tapos pinang-aarasin ka. Hindi pwede yun. Doon pa yan, mali na eh. Doon pa lang, mali. Okay, so, hindi natin papalampasin ito. And finally, apart from the review of the protocols, I'm calling on our kababayan. No, this incident happened March 6. Hindi ko nakarating sa akin until you guys, and I'm thankful to all of you in the media for reporting it immediately when you saw the post of Kai and Ma'am Ruth. Kung hindi kayo nag-report, hindi namin ito nalaman kasi hindi rin-report sa akin. Apparently, hindi nila-report kay Yusek ito. So, I'm calling on our kababayan. Kapag nangyari sa inyo to, huwag kayong matatakot. Huwag kayong mahihiya. I-report nyo agad. And I'm asking Yusek Jim, GM Eric, and Yusek Ato. No? We will have a hotline. Magpapakilay ako ng hotline sa airport. Anything na maging ginawa sa mga kababayan natin, i-report nyo agad sa hotline na yan. And that hotline will go straight to Yusek Ato, to Yusek Jim, to GM Eric and myself. No, hindi ko lang ito rin. Huwag natin hintayin na ilang araw pa, tapos magiging na natin kapag pinost na sa social media at report ng media natin. Mag-report ko agad. After it happens, report, we will set up this hotline ASAP para kung may tatakbuhan mga kababayan. Kung po kayo matatakot, kung po kayo mahilig.